Okay, this is the secure lock assembly. If you take your lock housing shown here and flip it over as shown, take your standard lock. If you see, there should be a K marked on the top. When this goes into the housing, if you can make sure the K is still facing upwards. Take your nut, finger tighten first, then using a socket just tighten up again. When it's tightened, you want to ensure that the end of the nut is level here. Then take your lock shim, pop that over the edge, then your lock cam, make sure it's facing in that direction, then a plain washer, a shake-proof washer, and then just fix the screw on top. If you then insert the key, it should operate counterclockwise, and from inside it should be clockwise as shown. This is the lock slide plate assembly. If you take your slide plate there and pop it into the vise, then want to take your leaf spring and your leaf spring screw and pop it in as shown, and the whole assembly fits into this small hole just here. Use a screwdriver to secure it in place. Make sure that the leaf spring is centered between the two and is facing that way around as shown. This is now placed in the vise, which is preferably that way round. And you just need to cut off the excess of the screw here. As you can see, it's just been cut off. You then need to just grind away the little excess bit here so that the whole surface is flush. And then, as you can see, it's a nice flush surface in which to fit the secure lock. Okay, the lock assembly, you push the tab down here. Insert your standard slide plate this way round. Then insert your lock slide, again facing this way round. And pop your two springs in as normal. Like that. If you then take your lock slide plate, make sure the leaf spring faces inwards. Just ensure the leaf spring is sticking out through the gap. the security lock operation. If you press the plunger in as shown, get a 5-digit readout here. To release the seal, simply pop in the key as shown and turn counterclockwise.